Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. How are you guys? I hope you all are fine. And good morning. I just woke up and I was feeling so motivated to make our breakfast today, and I quickly got into it. When I opened the fridge, I found some sausages there, so I got the perfect idea to make a kind of sausage fry, just like how we make egg fry, but I am also going to add eggs. For that, I quickly chopped up some sausages, and we can't make a dish without chilies and onions. And then I put everything into the pan with some little bit of oil, heat it up, and then wait for it, and then just put in your sausages. Then keep on just stir fry it for a little while. We want it to be a little crunchy on the outside but still soft as the sausage is. So I didn't actually turn it into black. It's just a little bit of red brownish color. And then just to make it a little bit more extra funny, I just cracked up one egg and mix it all together. Just look at it. It looks so good. But we're not done yet. Here we go in with our sausage. I add some ketchup and some mayo and a little bit of soya sauce. Then our garnishes, salt obviously, and I also got in with some chili flakes and oregano. And it looks delicious. I think you guys can understand it too. And then, as I said, I wanted to serve it with paratha. So I quickly fried up one paratha, and just to make it a little bit more exciting, I sliced it up. And when we played it all together, it's literally the best combo. I hope you guys try it out. It's super easy, and I hope you like this video. I'll see you in our next video. Until then, bye bye. Ma salama.